Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today we have a drink and a knife, and the drink is Reign, R-E-I-G-N, Storm, with the lightning bolt, the silver lightning bolt, Clean Energy, Valencia Orange flavor, FDA regulated beverage, zero sugar, let me read stuff camera because I can't see it. Erythritol, I guess, 2 grams. I don't know what that is. Vitamin A, 25%. Vitamin C, 25%. 0% juice, though. Weird. Okay. Niacin or vitamin B3, 100%. Vitamin B6, 100%. B12, 100%. Biotin or vitamin B7, 100%. Folic acid or B5, vitamin B5, 100%. Zinc, 50%. Chromium. I'm going to research why my body needs chromium. 100%. 10 calories, 280 milligrams or 12% sodium, 5 grams or 2% of total carbohydrates. It says, accelerates metabolism, improves focus, plant-based energy, vegan, hair and skin health, B7, kosher, never any high fructose corn syrup or artificial sourced color or artificial flavors or BS claims. I pause to read this part. Let's crack it open. Always tap. It doesn't explode. I don't know if I'm going to like this now that it says vegan. It smells really good. Like a juicy orange. Let's get the pour for you guys. Oh gosh. This part, vegan. I'm not a vegan, so I don't know how vegan stuff tastes but in drink form, but let's see. If I don't like this, you're gonna know firsthand on this video. Reign, Storm, Clean Energy, Valencia Orange Energy Drink. I like it so much. But I took a little measly sip just so I could understand if I liked it. One more time. What this is to me, the taste is like a sparkling carbonated, more like a carbonated orange drink. Okay. I give this on the low side. Let me take a big swig so I can do it. On the low side, a 6.5. And on the high side, a 7.5. This is a very good drink. Is it worth chugging? No. Is it worth enjoying? Yes. Is it worth getting again? Heck, yes. And the knife in the video... And the knife in the video is the RoseCraft Blades. Or RoseCraft Blade. I'm sorry. RoseCraft Blade. Look it up on Google. They have a website. RoseCraft Blade. Exclusive. CJRB. More Malia. With the designer is Swags. CJRB logo. And it says Swags. He has an awesome signature. And it's, oh, gotta clean that. That part always gets gunked up. That's the model number, J1918L or J1918L, L as in Larry. And then it says AR RPM9 steel. And it is made in China. If we can focus. Do we really need to focus? Yes. And then you would hold it like so. So that's knife and a drink. Well, drink and a knife. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent, collect what you like. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, your yummy food, your music, your video games. Be safe in the rain and the weather. Have a good summer. Good week ahead. Good weekend. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.